Hello everyone, I'm excited to share my journey and accomplishments during my internship over the past 3 months during my internship as a business analyst at Unified Mentor. I've worked on multiple projects that showcase my skills in data visualization, data analytics, hypothesis testing using Python. Let me start by giving a brief introduction about the projects that I've covered, and then I will tell you my conclusion and overview about it, the whole internship. So first project I came across was the Green Destinations HR Tableau dashboard. This dashboard was developed on Tableau Public, and the dataset was provided by Unified Mentor. So I've completed and posted my dashboard on Tableau Public, and also saved all this progress of the all projects on GitHub account, which I learned on Unified Mentor. The second project was Superstore Sales Interactive Dashboard. I used a bubble chart for visual representation of the sales across all the regions, and I also used Tableau Public for the same. So the third project was Titanic rate analysis, survival rate analysis. This was done using Power BI, and the dataset was also provided by Unified Mentor. So it divided the survival across the three stages or three categories of patient class: first class, second class, and third class. And made a Tableau project visualizing how many patients, not patients, survivors were there across like parameters like gender and the patient, the passenger type. So the last project I came across was Python-based telecommunication industry analysis and hypothesis testing. So in conclusion, I would say that this internship was an incredible learning experience, and it allowed me to apply my analytical skills to real life world scenarios. I appreciate the support from the mentors and peers through this journey. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out my projects on LinkedIn, GitHub, and YouTube. Thank you and have a good day.